Are you completed your class 10 and moving to class 11? Are you completed your class 11 and moving to class 12? So all of you guys, don't skip the video till the end. I am going to discuss about one of the most important thing which you need to do during your entrance exam preparation. Let it be JEE, EAMCET, BITSAT or any other entrance exam. So don't skip the video till the end. Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. This is Sai Sriram Malyala. I think most of you already know that what exactly I am going to discuss in this video by seeing the thumbnail and the title. So in this video I am going to discuss about some of the most important and must do chapters from class 11, so that will help you in class 12. What exactly the reason for me making this video is, many students saying that Bhaiya, due to all these online classes we have wasted our class 11. So we want to cover that class 11 and class 12 and so that you can easily crack JEE or EAMCET or BITSAT. I already uploaded this particular video where I have discussed some of the important tricks and also given you some strategies how you can cover your class 11. So in that I have mentioned one point called connected topics or must do chapters from class 11. And also, if you completed your class 10 and at present if you are in class 11 and you are preparing for JEE or EAMCET or BITSAT, let it be any entrance exam, don't miss these chapters so that you can't say that Bhaiya, I have missed this chapter, so I want to cover class 11th also. So don't take it as a chance. So time is a very crucial thing in any entrance exam preparation, so utilize them properly. So what I am saying is, if you are in class 11 now, so don't miss these chapters, work on these chapters because these chapters will help you in class 12 also. So without taking much time, let's get into the video. Emerge batch for class 11 JEE Main and Advanced 2023 is going to start from 26th May. So this is the faculty list. If you are interested to join this particular batch, do use the link in the description and also use my code CHARNYT, CHARNYT, you will get flat 10% discount. And Bullseye for class 11th JEE Main and Advanced 2023, same for those who completed 10th and moving to 11th standard. So the same batch is starting from 26th May, same like the Emerge batch. You can also, these are the faculty list, and if you are interested to join this particular batch, you can use the link in the description and use my code CHARNYT, you will get flat 10% discount. For 2022 JEE aspirants and 2023 aspirants, if you buy for one year, you will get 2 months free, and if you buy for 2 years, you will get 3 months free. Last date for is 26 May, use the code and link in the description. Yeah, are you missing IPL? Unacademy presenting you the IIT JEE T20 test series. It's just for 30 minutes, 20 questions every day. So you can enroll now for free using my code CHARNYT. So the link for this particular test is in the description. Yeah, PCM, Physics, Chemistry, Maths, must to do and most important chapters in 11th. Connected topics of class 11. So we can say anything like that. So it will be helpful for JEE, EAMCET, BITSAT or any entrance exam for 2022 aspirants and 2023. 2023 means presently class 11th and 2022 means presently class 12th aspirants. And if you want to take drop also, you can use these things. Okay. So first and foremost, I want to discuss about physics. Coming to physics, so these are the class 11 topics: mechanics and SHM, mechanical waves, mechanical properties of fluids, heat and thermodynamics, KTG, kinetic theory of gases, units and dimensions, measurements. Okay, in mechanics we have kinematics, Newton laws of motion, friction, circular motion, work per energy, center of motion, rotation. So all these. So mechanics and SHM, you will get these application in electrostatics, gravitation, current, electricity, capacitance, MEC, EMI, AC. So and if you know like SHM and gravitation, mostly these two are similar chapters. You can easily complete them at once. Okay, photoelectric effect and mechanics and SHM is also used in photoelectric effect, Bohr's model, atomic physics, nuclear physics. Okay. Now coming to mechanical waves, so this particular topic will help you in wave optics and electromagnetic waves. So and these optics, semiconductors and communication systems, these are not linked, these chapters are not yet linked with any of the class 11 chapters, and these class 11 chapters, mechanical properties of fluids, heat and thermodynamics, KTG, units and dimensions, so these are also not useful in your class 12, but so that you can expect some questions from these topics also. So I am here just giving you a glimpse of how the chapters are connected to each other between class 11 and class 12. And I can say one thing is, if the examiner wants to connect any two topics, he can connect and he can make a question of any two topics. But seeing the majority like previous year's analysis, so we can say most of the questions are interlinked like this. Mechanics and SHM is interlinked to these things. Now coming to chemistry, so as we know, chemistry has 3 different parts. So physical, organic and inorganic. Coming to inorganic, periodic properties, periodic table chapter and chemical bonding, these two are main important things. And coming to organic, IUPAC. general organic chemistry. This will be the one of the most important in this. I usually regularly say E1, E2, SN1, SN2. So these things, so don't miss them. And isomerism, chiral centers, each and every one. So these things will be helpful in the named reactions of class 12. Okay, you can see many named reactions in class 12. Basics of that things will be from GOC, isomerism and hydrocarbons. If you see hydrocarbons, alkanes, alkenes, alkynes. So these things will be helpful in the named reactions also. Coming to physical chemistry, atomic structure, mole concept, states of matter, thermodynamics, equilibrium. So these are most of the important chapters, must do chapters from chemistry. Now let us move to mathematics. Coming to mathematics, so I usually say trigonometry, so which is a universal chapter, so they can link trigonometry to integration, differentiation, matrices, to any questions they can integrate easily trigonometry. So learn all the formulas, and you can also learn some tricks from trigonometry, so try to adapt the tricks. Okay, and I also suggest you to complete the functions, which will be helpful in limits and continuity, differentiation, differentiability, all those things. Functions will really play a crucial role. And coming to sequences and series, quadratic equations, straight lines, matrices and determinants. So this is one of the most important chapter from class 11 mathematics. Every year at least 2 questions will be there from this particular topic, matrices and determinants. So if you learn perfectly the straight lines, so if you find questions related to tangents, normal, secants, anything related to straight lines in this particular coordinate geometry, you can easily cover them. So these are the most important topics from physics, chemistry, mathematics. So must do chapters. Once again, please go through all these things. So take the screenshots, okay, before leaving this video. Once again, go back and take the screenshot of those chapters. So that will be really helpful to you. And please do share this video to all of your friends. If you find this as a time worthy video, please do like, share and subscribe. See you in the next one. Until then, take care. Bye bye. Jai Hind.